Welcome to the world of effortless blending, where chunky smoothies are a thing of the past. Today, we're here to introduce you to the Vitamix 5200 blender, a professional-grade kitchen appliance designed to deliver consistent, smooth results every time. Manufactured by the renowned brand Vitamix, this blender boasts a high-performance motor that lets you say goodbye to laborious blending and hello to effortless perfection. With 2 HP at your disposal, fibrous produce, frozen fruit, ice, and nuts are no match for its laser-cut stainless steel blades. The Vitamix 5200 comes with a 64-ounce classic container, perfect for small to large capacity blends. This BPA-free container is designed to create the iconic Vitamix Vortex, ensuring professional-grade blending for smoothies, juices, purees, sauces, soups, and more. Whether you're making hot or cold dishes, this versatile blender has got you covered. With 10 variable speed settings plus a high-speed setting, achieving precise textures is a breeze. Need a silky smooth hummus or a creamy cashew cream? Simply adjust the speed to your preference and let the Vitamix do the work. Cleaning up is just as easy thanks to its self-cleaning feature. Just add warm water, a drop of dish soap, and in 30 to 60 seconds, your blender will clean itself with no disassembly needed. But don't just take our word for it. According to many satisfied users, the Vitamix 5200 is more than worth the investment. One user shares, owning a Vitamix blender was a goal for ages, and I finally got this one almost 3 years ago. This awesome blender still works like it did when it was new. Another raves, it's the best blender without any bells and whistles. Pricey, but again it is the best. So how do you use this powerful machine? Start on the lowest speed, then gradually increase as needed. Always remember to turn the dial to 1 and switch to variable before and after turning it on to ensure safe operation. And when it comes to cleaning, simply fill the container with warm water, a drop of dish soap, and let the blender clean itself in no time. While the Vitamix 5200 is a significant investment, its durability and versatility make it a worthwhile one. Backed by Vitamix's industry-leading 7-year warranty, you can trust this blender to deliver reliable performance and peace of mind. So if you're ready to revolutionize your blending experience, consider the Vitamix 5200 your ticket to a smoother, healthier lifestyle.